This is a 3D print of Mars. Well, half of it. One hemisphere. Here's the North Pole. And here's the South Pole. So we can see one half of Mars. It rotates in like this. This is with 20 times exaggeration in elevation. So we can see a lot of the features very well. Here's Olympus Mons, Valles Marineris, Viking 1 landed right around here, and the Pathfinder rover landed right around here. Opportunity is right around here. The Spirit rover is just off of our model, right around here somewhere. Valles Marineris is a huge canyon system over 4,000 kilometers long. And of course, Olympus Mons is a inactive volcano, tallest feature on Mars, and in fact in the whole solar system. But it has a few friends, some other volcanoes here. Arcia, Pavonis, and Ascradius. I probably butchered those names. I should probably print the other half now.